alcohols. So then, in exercise 2, bit number 11 is hydrolysis of an ester gives acid A and alcohol B. What is the IUPAC name of the A and B in the following the compounds? So now, hydrolysis of esters, it means ester is RCOOR. It is the ester. Hydrolysis means react with the water. So react with the water. So then it gives two compounds. One is A and the second one is B. So the obtained compounds A and B. A is acid. It is the A is acid, and B is the ethyl alcohol. It is the alcohol. It is a alcohol. What are the IUPAC name of the corresponding acid and alcohols? So now RCOOR plus it is HOH. So then it is R combines with OH. So then the obtained compound B is ROH. It is the ROH. So then RCOO combines with H. So then it gives RCOOH. So it is the carboxylic acid and alcohol. So now the IUPAC name of the B is methanol. So it is the methanol. It is the methanol. So it is the methanol. So then IUPAC name of the methanol. So what is the ester in this process? What is the ester in this process? According to options, methyl formate. So what is methyl formate? So it is CH3 COO. It is CH3. So it is methyl formate. Methyl formate. On hydrolysis, it gives CH3COOH. So then CH3COOH plus CH3 combines with OH. So then it gives CH3OH. So it is the carboxylic acid. It is the carboxylic acid. The name is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Or its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. It is the ethanoic acid. So the obtained alcohol is the methanol. Obtained alcohol is the methanol. So now according to four options, so the ester is the methyl formate. The answer is the methyl formate. So then next one, bit number 12. So generally ROH is the alcohol. It is treated with HX. It is treated with HX in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. So it is the anhydrous zinc chloride. So then it gives alkyl halide plus it is water. It is water. So in this reaction, the reactivity of alcohol is. So generally alcohols are three types: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. So let us consider in this process alcohols. For example, it is CH3, it is OH. It is treated with HCl. This HCl is the concentrated HCl. The reaction undergoes in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. It is the anhydrous zinc chloride. So then it gives methyl chloride CH3Cl. It is alkyl halide. Methyl combines with chlorine. So then it gives water. It gives the water. So in this process, the mixture of, so it is the mixture of concentrated HCl, concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Actually, Lucas test. So it is the Lucas reagent. So Lucas test. It is used for the distinguish of the alcohols. So what it is distinguish of alcohols. What is alcohols? So generally, the reactivity order of the alcohols is tertiary alcohols is greater than secondary alcohols is greater than primary alcohols. So then in this process, alkyl halides are used. Alkyl halides means hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. Now the order of the hydrogen halides is Hi is greater than HBr is greater than HCl is greater than HF. So now according to alcohols react with alkyl hydrogen halides, it gives the alkyl halides. So the reactivity order of the alcohols is tertiary alcohols, secondary alcohols, primary alcohols. Order of the hydrogen halides is hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride and hydrogen fluorides. So tertiary, secondary, primary. Simply, so it is the tertiary means it is a OH group. It is a OH group. Its reactivity is greater than secondary. Secondary means it is a C and it is a CH. It is a OH. CH, OH. So then it is 1, 2, 3 and it is 3. So it is greater than, it is C, it is CH, it is the OH. It is the OH. So it is CH3, it is CH3, it is CH3. So alcohol functional group OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. So it is primary, secondary, tertiary. So it is a tertiary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol is greater than, it is a secondary alcohol. Why? Because it is secondary alcohol. Alcohol functional group is attached to the secondary carbon. So it is a secondary alcohol. So the next one is, so generally it is a primary alcohol. So then it is CH2, it is CH3. So alcohol functional group attached to the primary carbon. So this alcohol is a primary alcohols. So tertiary alcohols is greater than secondary alcohols is greater than primary alcohols. The following compounds. Match the following compounds. So first one is, it is a set 1 and it is a set 2. Set 1 and set 2. So set 1, it is a set 2. So what are set 1? So then it is A. A is ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. It is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees centigrade temperature. So now B is, what is B? Calcium carbide. It is CaC2 calcium carbide on hydrolysis. It is reacting with water. So now third option is sodium acetate. It is CH3COO Na. It is sodium acetate. And electrolysis of the sodium acetate. Electrolysis of sodium acetate. So fourth option is D also, sodium acetate CH3COO Na. So but it is the soda lime. So that is the mixture of NaOH and it is the CaO. It is the soda lime. So then set 2 is first one is methane. It is the methane. So second one is it is ethylene. It is ethylene. Third one is benzene. Third one is benzene. And fourth one is acetylene. It is the acetylene. And fifth one is ethane. Fifth one is ethane. So these are the options. Now the match the following compounds. Match the following H by OH. C2H5OH. So then K is C2H5OH in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degree centigrade temperature. So this reaction is dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. Dehydration. So the obtained compound is C2H4. The obtained compound is C2H4. C2H4 is the ethylene. C2H4 is the ethylene. C2H4 is ethylene. So then option B is, what is calcium carbide? CaC2. It is calcium carbide. On hydrolysis, generally it gives acetylene. It is C2. It is H2 plus calcium hydroxide. So then let us consider 2 moles of water. So then CaOH taken twice in the presence of 2H2O. It is the acetylene. So then option 3 is CH3COONA sodium acetate. CH3COONA. So it is electrolysis process. So generally electrolysis process carried out in electrolytic cell. So first it is the ionization. So now ionization of the electrolyte. So it is the ionization. So ionization of sodium acetate CH3COONA gives rise to CH3COO minus plus it is Na plus. So it is Na plus. So it is anion, it is cation. Anion reaches at electrode of anode. Cation reaches at the electrode of cathode. Now the reaction at anode. Now the reaction at anode. So then CH3, it is COO minus, CH3COO minus. So then let us consider 2 moles of the CH3COO minus. So then it gives, what is CH3 plus it is 2CO2 plus 2 electrons. So loss of electron is oxidation. So in this process, removal of carbon dioxide. So this process is simply decarboxylation reaction. It is the decarboxylation reaction. So then it is the ethane. So the obtained compound is the ethane. So the next one is sodium acetate in the presence of NaOH and CaO. So then it is the CH3COONA in the presence of NaOH and it is CaO. So generally Na2 CO2 plus CO3. So then it is the Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. So then CH3 combines with H. So that it gives the CH4. The obtained compound is methane. The obtained compound is methane. According to set A and set B, so ethyl alcohol gives the ethylene. Calcium carbide gives the acetylene. Calcium carbide gives the acetylene. It is electrolysis. It gives the what is ethane. It gives the ethane. And sodium acetate, and it is the NaOH and CaO. It gives the methane. What is methane? So the options are A is 2. So then B is 4, B is 4, and C is 5, and D is 1. So these are the matching answers of the following compounds.